Hello everyone. So I just intended this video to be sort of quick recap of my Metal and last WebGPU video, which was all about creating this PONG game. And I just wanted to mention that all the code is now on GitHub, and I have cleaned it up a bit. So it's on cleanup branch, but it's also, I think it's merged to main as well. So you can just go to main branch and then you have all the cleaned up code there. And what I wanted to mention is, well, these videos were quite long, 18 videos each, but we did cover a lot of there. So we covered basically lighting, we covered shadows as well, then split screen, and of course we covered the gameplay bit. And probably the hardest part of the video is explaining all the matrices, right? The projection, the view, orthographic projection, and how it works. But we kind of delved into it and managed to do it. So I just wanted to say good job to everyone who went through all the videos, and I hope that you learned a lot. So as this is the last video of this series, I also wanted to announce a new series, which will be again, I'll go with WebGPU, but this time on desktop. So it will be C#, and there it's a bit different game. It's kind of different than what you might be used to in TypeScript, because WebGPU on desktop means you are working with WebGPU, but once you start debugging, so I will be doing this on Windows and maybe Linux machine as well. So once we do debugging, it will be either Vulkan or DirectX. So we will be actually debugging those. So some knowledge of those is either Vulkan or DirectX is good. Also, if you're working on Mac, then obviously the Meta, right, as well. And the other videos, so I'll do this in parallel once again. I think the parallel learning kind of, like, if you do thing in one language and then the other, it kind of reinforces learning a lot. It will reinforce what you're learning by quite a lot actually. But anyway, so not to repeat myself, the other one will be DirectX, and I'm going to use 11. I know that nowadays, so the new one is 12, but I think 11 is really good step, because DirectX, it's not hard to get into, but it does take some steps, because we're going to use Windows 32 API, then it has its own separate object, because it's not actually C++, it's header. Actually, we do get interface, which is C++, but it's entirely different thing, and we're going to get to it. And I think it will be exciting, because DirectX 11 is kind of step. It feels like a step from OpenGL to this more modern web API. Sorry, not web APIs. I mean the graphics API. So it's kind of exciting as well, and we're going to do it probably in C++. That's the easiest way, and it's probably the most searched for. But the bindings that we're going to use for the WebGPU, it's silk.net, and they have DirectX binding as well. So you can do that as well. If you learn a bit about silk.net and you follow the DirectX 11 videos, you probably could do it in C# as well. So that's the plan. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you enjoy the next ones as well. And I wish you all the best.